No Bay Instant Cappuccino Cheesecake for two.
This recipe is just so simple and easy to make. First, I'm starting out with two of these little dishes. They're small. And I'm just going to put some vanilla wafers in it, which is so much easier than doing the graham cracker crust. Now, I want these to be a little crispy, so I'm not going to dip them in milk. If I wanted them to be really soft, I'd dip them in milk first. So I'm just going to put about 4 pieces in there. How big your vanilla wafers are. Let me set these aside. And then I've got 6 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Now to this, I added a tablespoon of instant coffee and let it kind of set about an hour to give it plenty of time to dissolve. So the next thing, all I've got to do is pour this in here and whip it up till I have like soft peaks.
There are 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon. This recipe is easily adjustable according to how much you like coffee. 3 teaspoons, rather 1 tablespoon, was a little bit strong. So you'll have to experiment if you would prefer it was 1 teaspoon of coffee, 2 teaspoons of coffee. Or if you just really love coffee, go for the tablespoon.
Okay. And now I've got 3 ounces of cream cheese. And I'm just going to kind of whip this up. To this, I'm going to whip in 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And this really needs to be sifted. Now in my original recipe for the instant cream cheese, I used 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, but I'm using 4 this because I've got the coffee in it. Now of course we drink our coffee pretty sweet, so you can always adjust this according to your taste. And then of course we've got to have our vanilla. I'll add a teaspoon of that.
And yes, you could have whipped in the sugar and vanilla into the whipped cream instead of the cream cheese.
And now we're just ready to combine our cream cheese with our whipped cream. Okay, let's give this a taste. Oh, that is just perfect. Okay, and if you want to, you can add just a few more cookies for the decoration, just kind of depending on how much you care about the vanilla wafers. You know, you can decorate them up like that or just leave them plain. And we're going to put these in the refrigerator for at least a couple of hours. Overnight would be even better. And we'll come back and see how yummy these are.
And top it with nuts or top it with whipped cream. Homemade cooking is easy, healthier for you and your family, and saves you money. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these easy to please recipes.